Mosen, located in China electric capital, Zhejiang Yeqing, is a pioneering technology leading enterprise dealing with cable terminal, auto connector, and wire connector.
We have more than 2 decades experience of the electrical connector, and now we are a brilliant and well-known company in this field.
With more than 2 decades experience at the forefront of design, manufacture, and sales of terminal and auto connector, we are a brilliant and well-known company in this field in China. With an installed base of more than 1,000 kinds of terminal and connector products.
We invest in R&D in order to sustain innovation and differentiation.
Mosen develops connected technologies to make the production reliable and efficient. 15,000 square meter workshop and 3,000 square meter storehouse ensure our strong production capacity. We focus on importing automation device and improving the manufacturing process to stabilize the product quality and make it perfect. We're certified with ISO 9001, CE, ROSE, SGS, and TS 16949.
Our customer service keep your products at high performance anywhere and anytime.
We are dedicated to maintaining and improving your company's reliability, productivity, comfort, and efficiency. Our passion is delivering innovative solutions to satisfy customer needs. We put our customers at the center of it all.
We supply you high-quality connector, terminal, and wire harness solutions.